What's up guys, Ackeem starting here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of the silicone tape that I basically have inside right here. So basically inside this box we have two pieces of silicone tape, as you can see right here, which come inside this package. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see basically what it basically used for. Easy to peel off, just like so. You can basically see, you can basically peel it off like this, and I can basically use it to tape on my skin, especially at night. I can basically peel it off like so. This is basically how it look on my skin, and this is basically waterproof tape, as you can see right here. It's waterproof. So guys, the fact that this tape can use for many different purposes. You can use it at night time when you're going to bed. So if you have any cut on your skin for a medical reason, you can use this basically to tape it up, and it works really great. All this basically use on your skin very easily. So if you have an ear on your skin like myself, you can basically tape on without worrying about after ripping off your ear when it basically pulling it off. So this is what I love about this right here, and it basically waterproof. So if you wear it in any water, it might not come off so easily, which is really great. A lot of people use it for many different reasons. Basically you can use on your skin, not just your skin. You can use to basically mount up other things as well. You can use it as a mask as well, especially when you're basically sleeping. Some person use it to tape their mouth. Some people use this to tape their eyelashes and those things, which is really great. And I love that this basically a good choice, that if you basically want to look into one of these, I think this is really great. Adhesive, and this is really strong, and yeah, I think that's something that I recommend.